Namaskar dosto. Today is 14th August 2021. Welcome to my channel Trade Plan Nifty. This channel is my journey in stock market, where on this specific video, which is a weekly wrap video on Nifty, we'll discuss the critical levels for Nifty for the coming week, my trade plan for coming Monday, which is 16th of August 2021, review my previous trade, share my learning in MTM at end of the video. I hope these discussions will add value to your trade setup and trading ideas. So Nifty is getting into new zone, and let's first get into our global market before we discuss Lalaji. So when we look into S&P 500, S&P 500 on weekly as well as on daily chart is showing very strong and is running parallel to 8-bar moving average. So no issue here. US government 10 bond yield, which was going up, it has now had a very sharp correction on Friday. So this is also a very good sign. So on daily as well as on weekly chart, it looks weak and in the zone of 1.28. So very good sign for all the equity market globally. And for us, the most important thing is US dollar index, which on weekly chart is now showing some sign of weakness. And on last Friday, it has shown a sharp red bar and it has now closed below 8 bar and 20 bar moving average. So definitely a very good sign. So global cues are looking very positive. When we look into Bank Nifty on weekly chart, we see that it is in uptrend and now it has a very good support at 36,092 and then at 35,750 and 35,663, and on upper side it will have a resistance at 36,411, and if 36,411 is broken, then the next target is at 36,611. On weekly chart, it is looking in uptrend. On a daily chart, it is above 8-bar moving average, but still in a consolidation between 36,400 and 36,663. Now, dollar index going down will support Bank Nifty, and if Bank Nifty starts moving up, we may see a very big move in Lalaji, that is Nifty. When we look into HDFC Bank on a daily chart on Friday has shown a strong move. On a weekly chart, it is looking quite positive, and now it has a resistance at 35.36, or major resistance will come at 15.45, and it has a very good support at 15.11. So any dip towards 15.11 should be bought for a target of 15.45, but definitely in uptrend. Reliance on weekly chart is looking in uptrend above 8 bar, above 20, above 50, and it is close quite strong. So definitely looking very good. And now it will have a resistance at 2152 and 2169, and very good support at 2123. And if 2123 is gone, then the good support will come at 2100. And after 2100, the next very strong support is at 2066. So definitely any dip in Reliance should be bought. So Reliance is also looking quite good. So global Q in general looking very strong. Key element like Bank Nifty, HDFC Bank, Reliance, they are also looking very good. So definitely the trend is up. And let's see what Lalaji is saying. So when we see Lalaji had a very strong 2 week. So this red bar at the bottom should have been bought at 15,516, and in 3 weeks we touch 16,529. So that's where the when I see chart like this, it reconfirms my view that the real money is in swing trade than intraday in terms of the kind of efforts which you put. Uh, so in weekly chart, having said that, definitely Lalaji is an uptrend and out of a big consolidation zone, and 8 bar moving up has given a good support to market. So this theory of expansion proves the point. Now daily chart, Lalaji is above 8, above 20, above 50, so definitely an uptrend. Now for a coming week, the critical support for a market is at 16,410, then 16,319, and if 16,319 is gone, then the next support is at 16,158, and below 16158 I see for a monthly basis a very good support at 16010, which is a monthly H4 and 20 bar moving average. Only thing is that now market is on monthly basis little overstretch, because monthly pivot is at 15746 and currently we are at 16529. So any dip towards 1600 should be bought. On daily chart, definitely it is looking in uptrend. Now on upper side, we see a resistance at 16634, and if 16634 is broken, then the next target is at 16739. On 15-minute chart, we see that Lalaji has closed above 8, above 20, above 50. So this reconfirms the trend. So the trend is definitely up. And for Monday, let's try to uh, confirm the view by looking into market profile. So when I look into market profile, I see that on Monday's market profile is above Friday's market profile. So definitely the trend is up. So the confirmation of the trend is on moving average as well as on a market profile is that the trend is up. So as a defensive trader for Monday, the strategy is buy on dip. So for Monday, the pivot is at 16485 and L3 is at 16424. So for Monday, the idea is, my trade plan is to take a entry on buy on dip at 16484, or at, if given a chance, at 16437 or 16420 zone. So somewhere here and here to for a target of 16575, which is H3, no, 166, that 16575 and 16621, which is also closer to weekly H3. So idea is buy on dip at pivot, which is at 16484, and if given opportunity, somewhere closer to S1, which is at 16437 and 16410 zone. By any chance, if I get an entry here, then this could also be a very good swing trade entry for a target of 16739 in this week. Please consult your financial advisor before you take any trade. Now, the last week was a quiet week for me. I didn't have much of the trade, so nothing much to speak about. But idea is that as the market will, as the corona uh, rules are getting relaxed, my job profile will require me to travel, and I need to find ways and means to get manage both the things. So that will require some more focus, and maybe a swing trade is something which will make sense. But in coming week, one thing is good, that when I was traveling, I decided not to trade and I stick to it. So that discipline was good, um, and I'm happy about it. So unless and until you're in front of a terminal, there is no point of doing intraday trading. I hope these discussions are adding value to your trade setup and trading ideas. Uh, wish wish you, all of you, a happy Independence Day for tomorrow. Stay healthy, wear mask. Jai Hind.